Hello, in this video, we will discuss how we can make a weekly attendance sheet or monthly attendance sheet. Here in front of you, one data is there, a set of data is there, names and the names of the days in 1 week are mentioned. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 5 days of the week, and then attendance is marked there. P for present and A for absent. Here we have to count the total attendance. So instead of doing manually, we can use a function to do it. Press equal to sign, then count if, press tab, count as function is enabled. Then it is asking to provide the range. Range will be this row, complete row. Okay, then comma. What it will count with inverted commas, because it is a alpha value, not a numeric. Therefore, we'll use inverted comma p. So it will count all the p's, means the present, bracket close, press enter. You can see there were four p's present, and it calculated four. Just on this autofill option, double click, it will automatically extend it to whole table. Okay, now we can do a small formatting. Select the table, this table. Okay, and go to the in home tab. In home tab, go to the conditional formatting, then new rule. In the new rule, here is one option, format only cell that contain. We will select this option. Okay, second one, format only cells with cell value equal to cell value equal to what? A. If it is A, means it is absent. Then what to do? Go to format, fill color. You can also change the border. You can also change the font color. Let's say you can print font in, we can bold it and change the font color. I will not change the font color. I will change the fill in the cell with red color. Okay, press OK. Okay, now you can see all the absent days of each student is marked as red.